Mm. One day at a time. Yeah. Mumzy, I'm not trying to say everything perfectly. I'm just telling you what's really in my heart. I still remember talking with you late at night. Both of us tired, but somehow it still felt right. We laughed about things nobody else would understand, and spoke about a future we never really planned. You came into my life when my mind was somewhere else, and slowly made me care for someone more than myself. I know we had some moments that were difficult to face, but even through the hard times, I still remember your embrace. Oh, Mumzy, I'm not asking you to promise me forever. I just want us to take these days together. No pressure on your heart, no need to choose tonight. We can move slowly until everything feels right. Oh, Mumzy, even when you need some time alone, you can always call me when the nights feel cold. Whatever tomorrow brings, whatever we may find, I'll keep loving you one day at a time. You told me that you're taking every day as it comes, trying to find your peace after everything you've done. I know you've been caring more than people ever see, so I won't make your healing only about me. I don't need you smiling when you're hurting deep inside. You never have to act like everything is fine. Just tell me when you need me and I'll listen without blame, because loving someone means accepting all their pain. Mumzy, I'm not asking you to promise me forever. I just want us to take these days together. No pressure on your heart, no need to choose tonight. We can move slowly until everything feels right. Mumzy, even when you need some time alone, you can always call me when the nights feel cold. Whatever tomorrow brings, whatever we may find, I'll keep loving you one day at a time. Maybe we made mistakes we cannot take away. Maybe there were times we didn't know what to say, but I never forgot the way you made me feel, and all the simple moments that reminded me it's real. I'm not here to chase you or control what you decide. I only want you knowing that my door is open wide, and even if our story doesn't happen how we planned, I'll always be thankful that I once could hold your hand. Mumzy, I'm not asking you to promise me forever. I just want us to take these days together. No pressure on your heart, no need to choose tonight. We can move slowly until everything feels right. Mumzy, even when you need some time alone, you can always call me when the nights feel cold. Whatever tomorrow brings, whatever we may find, I'll keep loving you one day at a time. One day at a time. No rushing, no pretending, just two hearts trying to understand each other. And even when I don't know what comes next, one thing will always be true. Mumzy, you will always mean something to me.